So again, it's the galleries, and it's event day 10, so Adrian gets to pick door 10. That's a big package.
Yeah, what's
For two little things.
a bucket and brushes, I guess.
And look, it's like, why is it such a big bag? What? Okay, go ahead and open it up. I guess it's a box that you put the brush and stuff in.
And
Tupperware party. Tupperware party, yay!
No.
Ew, he's gonna don't jump up there, Muffy.
oh, I'm gonna jump off. Thor? No, Thor. The
Thor, no, he would break the table.
Yeah, Thor's never been on this table and he never will be. Okay.
So there's like all the little things you groom the horse with, and then it goes into a little box. Pretty cute. But Adrian still hasn't got a horse, so they have a different color. But show the movie. Just I'll show a few of these.
Oh no, I didn't show them all off. Oh no, I'm a failure.
Is Adrian a failure? Let us know in the comments. So it's little brushes and combs and stuff, and a little red bucket. Okay, so if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe for more.